YouTube, what's going on, you guys? Okay, and as you guys can see in the video, you guys already know what's going down. We're doing another roasting my subscribers ways. Okay, now I don't know, you guys seem to like this this series. I'm just gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna do what you guys like. I mean, y'all keep sending me DMs of your ways saying rate me. I'm gonna put it out there. Okay, the views are doing well. You guys are seeming to like it. That's what we gonna do. Okay. So you guys, we gonna go ahead. We gonna hop into this roasting my subscribers ways. I'm really not gonna talk too much. I don't want to talk your ear off too much. So let's just go ahead and let's just go ahead and get into it. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, we gonna go ahead. We gonna get some DMs going. We gonna get some DMs going. All right. Let me move to the side a little bit. There we go. Alrighty, here we go. Starting from the top. Okay. Alright. That man was at school. Okay. Alright. I see you. From UK. From UK. Oh, he sent it to me again. Oh no, it's a different one. Okay. Oh, we got the Corsair waiver in there too. Got the Corsair waiver. Alright. So going back to your way, we could go to your friend if you want, okay? We can go to your friend, but you know your side, your back is looking good. It's your top, man, which is weird because people always like to brush their top a lot. It looked like you need to just go ham, just going straight down, maybe a little here, a little here. You just need to put in some work on your top, okay? Make sure you also get on the side because you can see there's a little disconnect right there. Go ahead and go down, all right? Go ahead and go down. And then when you turn and you looking off into the wind, then your waves is gonna be spinning. Everybody gonna be looking at you, and yeah, you gonna get it. But okay, hold on. I gotta go back to your friend. Okay, we gonna go back to the friend. We gonna go back to the friend. God damn, it's so fast. Oh, I can't rate that. I'm sorry, I can't see nothing. All right. Okay. You can tell he's more. It seems like he's more on the beginner side, mostly because his waves ain't that strong. So if you're not a beginner, you need a comb. Get them waves up. Get the tension off your waves. Because that means you're laying down your waves so good, which is a good thing. You're laying down your waves. No wrong with that. But you also need to sometimes when you just need to release that tension. Either comb back real quick and then comb it right back, or just put in a lot of comb work. That's all you need to do. To just release some of that tension, because it looks like your wave's flat. You sent me a lot more. Okay, we'll look at these two. He at work. Telling you, people just be watching my videos while they at work, while they at school, while they at home, while they doing homework. They be like, oh snap, 360 Wood made a new video. Let me see if I can get in his roasting my subscribers way. Hold on, let me take a quick video. Which is, of course, this dude knows I can't see his way. Can y'all see his way? Can y'all see his waves? Right here. Can you guys see his waves? Can you guys see? I can't see that. I can see 2 waves on the top. That's it. Is that all you got? Okay. Man, this man came on the flex. That's what it is. He came on the flex on the channel. That's what it is. He didn't come on show no waves. You can barely see his waves. Look. This is him. Hold on. This is him. I'm telling you, he came on the flex. He didn't come on show no wave. He flexing for the channel. He over here flexing straight for the channel. Alright. Oh yeah, you trying to pull dude, you trying to pull females on the channel. Dude, about 90% of viewers on this channel are males. 10% are females. I'm trying to tell you. I read my analytics, okay? You ain't getting no females on this channel, cuz. I'm trying to tell you. You on that light skin stuff. I could be on that light skin stuff too. Alright, I'm done. AF Wavy, that's his name on Instagram. AF Wavy. I rate you a solid 7.5, bro. Just the top you really need to work on. That's really your weak area, which is strange. You, bro, I can't rate you. I'm sorry, I can't. I see more of your face and your body. Ha! Gay! Than I actually do your waves. I mean, like I said, y'all already know. I gotta get the view. I gotta get the view. Give me the view of your waves now. I want the view of your waves. Come on now. All right. Here we go. Oh, snap. I'll be. Okay. Your waves look a little dry, bruh. They look a tad bit dry. Alright? They look a little dry. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. But get some curling hair, some smoothie. You know, get plastic bag method to bring out that shine and lay the frizzy hair. Cut that fringe off, cuz. Get your barber to cut that fringe off. But you know, you got 3-4 ways, so I rate you a solid I rate you a solid, I mean, I rate you a solid 4, I guess. I mean, you really, you ain't in them stages yet, but I mean, yeah, you get there. All right, nothing to be worried about. We gonna go to the next one. All right. Okay. All right. Come on now, my stuff dipping. With your hair so dry, I can't tell. Come on, man. You know, come on, get that PB to go stuff in there. You know, you gotta. If you want that stuff dipping, the ocean wet. That look dry. Look like dry land. You gotta. If you want to be dipping, you gotta be wet. Okay. Come on now. All right. That's a good view. See, there you go. That other dude that I just did. Not the one right before, but two guys before. This is how you do it right here. This is how you do it. I need a picture. I mean, maybe a flash would be nice, but you know, it'd be cool. You got forks on your top, forks on your right of the picture. It'd be on your left. But yeah, on the right of this picture, you can see, you know, you got forks forming, and that means you're either A, a beginner, B, you're not brushing right, or C, you ain't brushing enough. So take in consideration any of those A, B, or C, and make sure they both get taken care of. All right, you feel me? I mean, you can't do nothing about A if you being a beginner, but you can fix your angles. You can fix your angles, and you can fix your what is it? But some people just DM me asking me for a rate in the middle of my thing, but you ain't gonna get rated right now, cuz no, you gonna get rated in the next episode. But yeah, your angles. And how much you're brushing, okay? You got to fix those two though. Your angles and how much you're brushing. Now that is what I got a video on how to brush your swirl, okay? Yeah, I mean, if you ain't binge watching the video, come on. All right, I mean, I got a video on how to brush your 360 beehive, which seems like what you have. The swirl, I'm not really gonna come out with the official how to brush 360 swirl. I'm gonna come out with a video on how I'm brushing my hair right now. It's coming soon. It's all coming soon, guys. You know, I kind of want to push these, you know, messages out my DMs. Get these boys up out of here, okay? Devon so wavy, okay. God, you got a lot of pictures, cuz. Okay. He was gonna make sure he didn't get roasted on because he didn't take the right picture. He got a taper in this picture from the side view, and then the next picture. Sorry, bro. Maybe it's my Wi-Fi is being trash. Then he got, you know, the taper. He outside behind some mannequins. Looks like a shoe store. I can't tell. Then he put the head down. You know, he do the quick light skin, you know, head down with the wave. The one where you staring off into space right here. You already know, staring off into space. We already know light skin to light skin. Then you got the good picture. You got the good view I've been talking about to everybody. He knew he wasn't getting roasted on how to take no picture. Alright. God dang. Alright. So, you know, you got some forks. Looks like you got some type of swirl. I don't know. Just by the view, I really can't tell too much of what your swirl is. If it's a 540 swirl. I know it's not no 720 swirl or a 360 swirl. It's one of those 540 or 360 swirl. If I were to guess, I'd say it's probably a 540. Don't get on me about it. But just make sure you got your brush angles right. Make sure you're not just favoring one side, because it kind of looks like it just a tad bit. So yeah, I rate you about a what y'all think? think I'll rate you about your top is from what I'm looking at. You can get your swirl a little bit better. That wave down there just kind of looks crazy. I give you a solid, just from what I'm looking at in the picture, alright? From what I'm seeing in the picture. Don't really look at your pattern set, so I'll give you 7.5. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Oh, Fork City in the building? Is Fork City in the building? Oh yeah, you forked up, cuz. You all forked up. Yep. Get them brush angles right. Put in that brush work. Comb a little bit to get them connections going. You gotta get them connections going, man. That, you know, people on the streets, man, they might say you dipping because they just see waves, but you want to get them connected where everybody be turning their head. Even people with waves be turning their head because they know you got them connections. Yeah. Let's get that. Let's get that taken care of. All right. You know, you can put in a little comb work. All right. Alright, so yeah, I'll rate you about, if you got them, you forked up, mighty forked up. So I'll give you 8, but you got the waves in there, okay? Okay. Alright. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, nasty. Nasty with it. You know, like I said, you got that little crown, line in your crown. I mean, it's easy to fix, bro. Get that fixed up. Looks like you're going with the 540. So I don't know. Hold on. Look like 360. It looked like 360 a little bit, cause his back is coming down. It's not really at a slant. Nothing's really at a slant, really. So I really can't cut. Nah, I mean, it looks like 360 to me. So if it kind of looks like you're going with a swirl. If you're trying to go with a swirl or beehive, make sure that crown is closed up. Make sure that crown is closed up. Make sure that you just don't got that line. That line does not look good. Okay, the line does not look good in your head. It really stands out. But you spinning. You spinning though. Okay, I give you a solid 9. Just work on your crown. You're connected. You got your patterns set. Everything look good. You got a solid 9. I'm sorry that pic ain't loading. Okay, he got a quick video. Alright. You get the nice taper. Barber got him all right. Alright. Okay. Yeah, like literally. He scalped you. Whoa, he said he scalped him. I didn't really say. I was looking at the taper. Oh, damn. Yeah, you did lose. Sorry, just put a little product in there, bro. Just put a little product in there. Put in some brush work with a softie. Because you just got a fresh cut. And your progress be back. Just don't wash your hair. Don't wash it. When you wash your hair, everything goes wrong. Don't do that. Don't do that. Alright. Here we go. Alright, so you forked up. Y'all forked up. Come on, bruh. Bruh, he looks like how I used to how I used to show you guys waves on like my earliest videos. Like I used to do like a whole 360 spin around. I know his legs is hurting. His whole back just bent out. His whole girl on the bed. Y'all just got done. Y'all just got done messing around, didn't y'all? They just got done messing around. Doing grown folk business. Look. She all laid up on that bed. I didn't notice her until I saw a light coming out of nowhere. I was like, what the hell is this? What is this? Look. She like, come on. Come back to me. Come back to me. Look. All right, I'm done. We gonna get to the way. We gonna get to the ways. All right, I'm done playing. But okay, yeah, your top is forked up. Make sure, it looks like your right side is forked up. Make sure, if you flip your brush instead of going like this and turn it and go like this, you'll get a lot more pull doing that. So try that out. It probably help, with a lot of progress. So, yeah. And then make sure you're brushing your top. That looks like your only weak spots. Remember, brush your weak spots first. We brush your weak spots first is your forks start breaking, because then you're making sure that you're not forgetting that area, that you're not just favoring your strong side. Favor your weak side so you get your weak side right, match your strong side. But yeah, your waves are spinning, you just forked up on that side. I give you, actually, let me look at something else. Let me see. Hold on. Same video? Okay, no, that's different. Yeah. Yeah, I give you 7. Mostly because it's just those forks that are really throwing off your waves that really, it doesn't really pop out like they should. How waves, you know, really are eye attracting. I mean, your waves are eye attracting. It just don't look like, oh my god, like he's spinning. You know what I'm saying? Like oh my god, like he's spinning. Like, oh my god. You know, if y'all roast me in the comments because I did that, I swear to God, I'm coming for all y'all. All right, but yeah. Don't roast me in the comments for saying that, because look, I will roast every single person next episode. I promise you. Don't play with me. Alright? But yeah, I give you a solid 7, bro. Okay. This is the last one, just so you guys know. This is the last one. Alright, you roping. You roping. I see you, bro. I see you. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Now don't think you getting away, because I can tell that your crown ain't perfected. I can tell that crown ain't perfected. I'm going to tell you how I know. Look at all this curly. You know, all that curls. It's not laid down. It's not laid down curls. You're about a medium texture waver. But you gotta get your waves laid. You gotta get those waves laid down. You gotta get those waves, you know, like when a medium texture waver, you want your waves laid. Like, you want them super laid. Straight hair wavers, you don't want them too laid to where it just becomes flat. Okay? But when it comes to medium, you guys want it laid. Like laid. Okay? Laid. So you need to put in some brush work. Maybe the brush that you're using ain't really giving you a lot of pull and laying your hair down. Maybe you need to do the plastic bag method. Or just start learning how to compress with your do-rag or double compression, because you need to get them waves laid down. And you ain't gonna just use a do-rag and get it compressed and then expect your crown to be looking all nice. No, you gotta work on your crown. You got to work on your crown. So you can't be slacking out here. You wavers can't slack, okay? Wavers can't slack, because we can all see the mistakes in a waver if you slack. You can't be slacking out here, alright? Because he's the last one. I told y'all he was the last one. So, if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I mean, go ahead and like, because you like the video. And I mean, go ahead and comment, because I really like seeing what you guys got to say in the comments. But you guys should subscribe, because you know we're dropping straight fire videos just like this one, okay? And I mean, you know, you might as well turn on the post notifications so you're the first one to see the video, okay? Who knows? I'm about to be like, I do some giveaway for like the first viewer, but I'm lying. I'd be totally lying. Like, that'd be like the quickest giveaway I've ever done. Like, the giveaway is still going on for from the what, 10K? That's still going on. I told you guys I wanted to give you guys enough time. People that are just now coming, they get time to enter the giveaway too. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, go ahead and go check out my earlier videos. I posted a 10K giveaway about a waver kit. We're giving away a brush, we're giving away a do-rag, we're giving away remix products, we're giving away a comb. That was about 5 because of those products. So yeah, so basically that's what we're doing. So if you guys want to be in the giveaway, it's like a little beginner pack for a waver. If you guys want to be in the giveaway, just go ahead and go check out that video real quick. If you guys really, I mean, what's the hurt in at least entering? You might get lucky and you might win, okay? So, I already said like, comment, subscribe. So, stay wavy. And it's 360 Woods. And I'm out. Yep.